In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Walmart gift cards. Open your web browser and head to walmart.com. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're on the official site so everything looks and behaves as expected. At the top of the home page, look for the services option in the main navigation. On desktop, it's in the header. On mobile, you may need to open the menu first. Click Services to open the full set of store offerings. From there, choose Registry, Lists, and Gifts. This section gathers everything related to gifting in one place, which makes finding gift cards quick and straightforward. Next, select Walmart gift cards. This takes you to the dedicated gift card area where you can browse the available designs and formats. You'll typically see a range of themes for holidays, birthdays, and everyday gifting, along with options that indicate how the card will be delivered. Browse the selection and pick the design or format that fits your occasion. You can take a moment to read the brief descriptions on each card tile. They'll often note whether the card ships by mail or is delivered digitally, and you can check ratings or delivery estimates if shown. Click the gift card you want to open its product page. Here, you'll see important details like delivery method, estimated arrival time, and any customization options. If you're sending a physical card, look for shipping information. If the page shows a fulfillment type, make sure it matches how you want it delivered. Choose the card amount from the available options. Many designs offer preset amounts and sometimes a custom value within a certain range. Select the amount that fits your budget and the recipient's needs. If there's a quantity field, adjust it if you're buying more than one. Click Add to Cart. Wait for the confirmation prompt or mini cart to appear so you know the item was successfully added. Open your cart to review your selection. Confirm the card design, amount, quantity, and estimated delivery details. If you need to make a change, you can usually edit or remove the item right from the cart. Double check the subtotal so everything looks correct. When you're ready, proceed by selecting Continue to Checkout. At this point, you'll move into the secure checkout flow where you can finalize your purchase. You may be asked to sign in or continue as a guest, and your shipping or delivery details will be confirmed during checkout. That's it. You've navigated Walmart.com, chosen a Walmart gift card, and started the checkout process. Keep your order confirmation for your records, and you're all set to gift with confidence.